Good morning, students. In our last class, we have started our chapter Area of a Triangle. And in our early class, we have learned how to find out area of a triangle. In this class also, we have to deal with some particular type of triangles and how to find out the area of these triangles. Let's see what are they or how can we find out the area of a triangle. This is my question. The area of right-angled triangle is 96 centimeters square. One of the perpendicular side is 16 centimeter. What is the length of the other? It's a right-angle triangle. Maybe it is 90 degree and the perpendicular side is 16. They had given the perpendicular side is 16 centimeter. And the area is given, it is 96. Area is equal to 96 centimeters square. One of the perpendicular distance, that is height, is given, it is 60 centimeter. We want to find out the length of the other side, that is base. Okay, we know that area is, how would you find area? Half into BH, that is the product of base into height by 2. Here the area is given, it is 96 and there is no change in half. B, we don't know what is B. We want to find out the value of B here, and H, the perpendicular distance is 16. In order to find the length of the other side, here there is only one quantity. Then other two quantities should be changed here. 1 by 2 should be converted into 2 by 1. And 16 change into 1 by 16. Okay, when a number removed or changed to other side, the sign should be changed, or if it is a fraction, it should be reversed. 1 by 2 is reversed into 2 by 1 and 16 is revised into 1 by 16. When we find the product and divide it with 16, we get the length of B, that is 12 centimeter is the length of the other side. This is my next question. The perpendicular sides of a right angle triangle are 12 and 15. Another right angle triangle of same area has one of the perpendicular sides 18 centimeter. What is the length of the other? Here we want to find out for area of the triangle first. That is, area is half into 12 into 15. When we multiply this and with divided by 2, we get 90 centimeters square as our area. And look at the next one. Another right angle triangle of same area. That is, the area of the second triangle is 90 centimeters square. And one of the perpendicular side is given, it is 18. And we want to find out the other side. Here 90 into 1 by 2, when we change it into the next side, it should be 2 by 1 multiplied by 18, it should be changed into 1 by 18 is equal to the question mark, that is the length of the other side that we need to find out. When we multiply 19 into 2 and divided by 18, we get 10 centimeter as our height or base, whatever it is. Okay. How we find out the area of this triangle? First, we denote the length should be x and y, and the perpendicular distance is set. Okay, if the perpendicular distance is set, then first, in order to find out the area of the smaller right angle triangle, that is, the sum of the area of two right angle triangle gives is half into x plus y plus z. I have explained how to find out area of a triangle. For your convenience, I will explain it once again. Like, if this is a triangle, okay, this is a triangle, and we want to find out area of this triangle. First there is no right angle in this triangle, okay. Then we want to draw a perpendicular distance from the opposite side, either to this side or to this side or to this side, depends upon your convenience and interest. If the length, if I given the name A, B, C, and the length of, and here it is M, the distance between A and M be X, and M and C should be Y, and the perpendicular distance is set. Maybe X, Y, Z is any number, okay, any natural number, maybe 1, 2, 3, etc. So, in our first triangle, triangle AMB, area of triangle AMB, from our early classes we have discussed, it is half into perpendicular distance into base, that is x. That means x set by 2. Same as we can find area of triangle CMB. CMB. Here also half into perpendicular distance is same, it is z, into the base length is y, that is yz or zy by 2. By adding these two areas, we get the final area of this triangle ABC. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is half into xz plus half into yz, isn't it? When we add the area of this triangle to this, we get the overall result. Here z and 1 by 2 are common in these two relations, so we can put them out. Sorry, it's z here. Then here there is only the balance x. Half z we take it out. Then there is only x here. Then the relation is here addition. Then the remaining part here it is y. That is, when we find the sum of the base to the product of the height, half of the product of perpendicular distance and to the base, is the area of a triangle. For example, let ABC be the triangle, and here if it is M, AM is 4, MC is 2, and the perpendicular distance is 3. Area of this triangle ABC is, we know that, half into z into x plus y. That is the relation we get. Half into z, z is the perpendicular distance which is 3 here, into x plus y, x plus y, 4 plus 2. Okay, when we multiply 3 with 6 and find half of them, we get the results. 6 3s are 18. 18 divided by 2, it's 9 centimeter square. This is the area of this particular triangle. Now find the areas of these three figures, and you want to draw this figure in your notebook and find the area of this one. Okay?